Hi guys, this is Manish, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the latest update which we're getting into the Realme 2 Pro. This is the update just before the Color OS 7. A lot of new features which we're getting into this update into the Realme 2 Pro. Your favorite update about the dark mode and your notification panel changes and many more of the app cloning features have been added into this update of the Realme 2 Pro. This update is very much huge, and in this video I'm covering it from very beginning till the end of this update and showing you the every new things which we're getting into the Realme 2 Pro. So without wasting time, let me just quickly take you to my mobile screen. So this is the Realme 2 Pro in which we got the recent update. Update just before the Color OS 7. The Color OS 7 which is going to launch next week, and before that we got a recent update to our Realme 2 Pro. In this update, we're getting a lot of features like dark mode, more third-party support for the application for the cloning purposes, like you can use simultaneously two applications at a time into the same phone. So let me just quickly go to settings over here. And once over to settings, you need to go to software updates. Once you do software updates, you're able to see that you got a recent update to RMX 1801EX 11C.2.5. What we are getting new into this update, we need to go to learn more. We are getting the Android security patch of November 2019, added dark mode, added Realme Laboratory, added data switch in the notification panel, app cleaner support for more third-party applications like Paytm, PhonePe, and many more. Added a switch of notification dots for updates, swipe left or swipe right to remove the message prompt after receiving the message, and whole new user interface redesign the notification center style. So over here you're able to see the notification panel like this, but after the update you're able to see a new sort of notification panel over here. So let me just quickly download it and make sure that you have enough data to download this update successfully. This update is approximately around 980 MB. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or you have enough data to download this update without any sort of problem. So let me just quickly enable this video again when this download is happened and my system has been updated successfully. So the phone has been updated to the latest version of the Color OS, and let me just quickly go to settings over here. You can over here see the system updated. Enjoy. And now with the left or right swipe you can easily remove any notification panel. Let me just do the left swipe and let's go to our settings over here, and again into settings you need to go to about phone. Once into about phone, you will able to see the Android security patch level to 5th November 2019. So this is the first update which we are getting it. Now let's move to the second update, which is of the dark mode. So let me just quickly search for the dark mode. And this is the dark mode which is under the Realme Lab. Again, a Realme Laboratory feature has been added into that, and into that you are able to see the dark mode feature. If I enable it, you're able to see that my phone has been turned into black. All the applications, all the notifications have been turned into black. Dark mode for third-party apps is been enabled, and if you want to disable it, you can disable it as well. So over here, let me just quickly show you the notification panel, and let me just quickly go to YouTube and show you that how the dark mode is affecting it. So you're able to see the dark mode of my YouTube. And if I open another app like Facebook or Instagram, it will also be turned into black. So this is the new feature which we are getting it into the Realme 2 Pro update. So let me just quickly disable the dark mode right now. So if I disable it, it will be again disable it. So if you want to use any sort of Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or any sort of app into the dark mode, this is the feature which you need to enable it into your Realme 2 Pro. Another feature which you're getting is digital well-being and parental control. So your digital well-being tools, your app timers and other tools to keep track of screen time and plug more easily. And parental control, added content restrictions and set error limits to help your child balance the screen time. So if your child is always glued to the screen of the Realme 2 Pro, you can enable this, and with the help of this feature, you will be able to set a sort of a timer that your child should be able to distract from your screen, and this is the new feature into the digital well-being and the parental control. So another update of applications. Let me just quickly search for the dual application or application cloning. So this is the app cloner. So you're able to see the three kind of applications that can be turned on. Now the app that can be cloned is agree. So you're able to see that more sort of applications now you're able to clone it, and you can now use the dual feature into this Realme 2 Pro update. So another update which we're getting is of the notification panel. You're able to see the notification panel has been gone more slightly beautiful, and more easily you can read any sort of notification. So now instead of the square, now it has gone into the circular sort of notification. So this is all are the new features which we're getting into the Realme 2 Pro update. Just before that, the update of into the Color OS 7. After the update into the Color OS 7, we're going to get more notification and more features into the camera panel, into the notification panel, and more slightly features we're going to add it into the Realme 2 Pro. So that's all for this sort of update. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I see you all in the next video.